accounts, kifika Friday na kupigia tuma hiyo $3. Unapata nimekutradia, unapotea na pesa yangu. So hizo tutaleta. So kuna copy trading na kuna pool trading.
Ushawahi kutengeneza mtu hela alafu atapotea na hela yako?
Wengi. Kwanza wazungu.
Ndio maana hii.
Sasa utafanya nini? Unajua msee, unajua mtu amekuwa kioshwa. Saa zingine wewe ni comrade, unamtoa wapi? Ameenda. Umeondia msee hadi mita. Anaenda anapotea hadi anakublock. Hiyo time uko.
Nilizaliwa tayari kwa utangazaji.
Kwa damu.
Iko kwa damu hii. Sema tu go tunasonga.
Kombali.
Sema go tunasonga.
Mindo, governor wa Shin City. You've been gossiping. I've been busy. Are we on? Come on. Mindo, governor wa Shin City.
Mambo iko namna hiyo.
Okay.
So that is why brokers zilikuwa creative, wakaleta hiyo automatic. So hawezi toroka na doya mse. So long as ameunda pesa. Yeah.
Nakuja kwako automatically.
After profit.
So is there a number where as a copy trader number you can only work with around 10 people?
For broker kuna kwa na limits. At times unaweza ambiwa when you reach 200 people nini. But no, ukishafikanga hiyo limit wanaona kuna potential, wanakuongezeanga limit. So hakunanga limit. Kuna people who have 4,000 followers, 5,000 followers kwa copy trading.
Tuko audible, eh? Lazima tukue audible.
They figure. Audibility. Hizi mambo inabidi uzijue.
Sisahau kuwasha mic. Ngenda. Best. Sawa.
Basi mimi nitoka. Nisome ile comments zetu hapa tukiwa na data. Nisome kidogo. Ingia. So mnaingia kwa pamoja ama mwingine anatangulia? Wewe ushaingia? Ushaingia iko live. Ndio. Kwenye YouTube. Kwenye YouTube tuko live. Sana tuko na tawi.
Where is that? Wagwan, Rasta man. We're here, and we live. We are live on AMTV. 。 .
。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。
. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . All right, are we good? Tuko sawa huko? Tuko sawa kwenye TikTok pale, tuko sawa pia katika mtandao wa AMTV YouTube channel. So we are live right now, it's official. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to this amazing episode. Now, these episodes, you find them on AMTV Biashara, right? We are on AMTV Biashara. So if you want to see Biashara, business, tuko pale. If you want to see siasa na kadhalika, kuna AMTV Siasa. Same channel, by the way. But we'll be definitely live katika masuala mengine tofauti pale. But otherwise, most important, asante joining us today. Shukran sana. This was a random one. Daktari ametokelezea on a Wednesday, nikamwambia let's sit and have this conversation. Kwa namuonesha ile conversation tulikuwa nayo previously. Amazing conversation katika mtandao pale wa YouTube and amazing comments from you guys. And I love the comments, by the way. Hapa nikicheki kuna mtu mmoja anaitwa Trading GX alisema kwamba I've known this guy since 2020 and one thing I can say is that he truly walks the talk. He's a guy who knows you. Anasema the look in his eyes and the way he carries himself are the loudest. He's a man on a mission. When he says mimi sijui mambo yao na focus na trading yangu, he's playing dumb and willing to look so, to beat them from a different angle. Wewe amekukagua kweli. Is that how traders operate? Is that how traders operate? Huyu kama anakujua sana kwa undani huyu. Anasema I genuinely believe he'll rise above all the noisemakers out there and let his results do the talking. He's a guy who knows you. And there's like a reply here. Someone else replied, I think, and said, his handles, by the way, I'll be giving you his handles. Your handles on IG, bro?
At Daktari7.
At Daktari7.
Yeah.
On IG. That's the Instagram handle. Now, let's go to someone else. And I said, almost all Kenyan SMC traders from 2021 have passed through the hands of this guy together. Big up, Duck.
Thank you.
Boss, wewe ni boss huko nje. Hawa sio nakutambua. It's a privilege to have you, bro.
Thank you so much.
It's a privilege to have you, bro. All right, someone else here, anaitwa D Diana 262, anasema risk management, journaling, you versus you. This is a lady trader, yeah? Sijasikia sana mademu wengi wana trade.
Wako,
eh?
Yeah.
I love that. Love that. Like a replay there. Asema psychologically fix the trader. Okay. Someone else, I've been trading for 4 years now, and any true trader, forex trader, knows that Daktari is saying nothing but the truth. Ish. Nipe mkono tena Daktari bwana. Respect, bro.
Santi.
This is your field. You've been here for 6 years.
Yeah.
Guys have so much respect on you and what you're doing. Na naona watu wengi sana wamepitia katika mikono yako hapa. Amazing, bro. Now, amazing comments coming. And by the way, ukiwa katika TikTok, ukiwa katika YouTube, keep those comments coming. Today we're going to have a very short, amazing conversations. And I want to check your YouTube comments pia niangalie unauliza swali gani na kadhalika. But leo, Daktari, and this is something nilikuwa nakwambia nataka tuongee sana. There are Kenyans out here wenye they're my followers na wenye wamekuwa kifollow conversation, you know, like
Yeah.
What is this that Mwakideu is doing? Hii ni conversation gani Mwakideu anajaribu kubring? Hii interest mpya all of a sudden you're trading. What is this about? Mimi I take my time na mimi wasiogopi kusema wazi because I've heard the stories and I like to take my time. I'm not in a hurry to go trading. But first of all, I want to learn.
True.
I want to learn and I learn and learn and I learn and learn and I learn until I say, now I'm ready to trade. Right? So currently I have an account with HFM. Sijaanza. But I have an account with the HFM. By the way, naweza kufollow HFM pia katika social media platforms. Pia unaweza kwenda katika page ya HFM. Kadhalika, there's a link on my bio katika YouTube right now. I think pia katika TikTok, they know, si ndio? Katika TikTok, iko pia katika TikTok, I think social media pages za kwangu. Tap that link. Once you do that, you register with HFM. Once you do that, register with promo code AMTV. There's $100 you can actually get to start your journey as a trader. All right? Haya, kazi kwako. Daktari,
Yes, sir.
so nilikuwa nakwambia kuna watu kama mimi.
Yeah.
A few of us out here. Hatuna time sana za kuanza
kusoma.
ya kusoma na kadhalika. Hatuna hiyo time sana, to be very honest. Number two, we are following your story and we know this is what you do for a living every day. This is your main and even side.
My career.
This is your career. Are you getting?
Yeah.
So wewe hapa uko katika trading kama career. Mimi ni broadcaster. This is what I do for a living. I broadcast. So wewe you've done trading for 6 years, you're at a much better place to trade and actually make a living out of trading.
Yeah.
Myself, I'm in a much better place to broadcast and actually make a living out of broadcasting. Okay?
True.
Sasa, I'm interested in what you're doing.
But you have what you're already doing.
Maze.
Yeah.
So how do I then win both as a broadcaster and as a trader without trading?
Yeah, that's a
Without
very
trading, bro.
it's a very interesting question.
Yeah.
Last time, if you remember, I mentioned to you about copy trading. So there are services. Trading is wide. Copy trading is one of the services that a trader can offer.
Okay.
A trader can offer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Copy trading is going to benefit a trader. You can be a trader who is learning, but you're still benefiting from it. You can be a trader who is not making money from trading, but you're benefiting from somebody else's copy trading service. And you can be somebody who's not trading, but still benefit from it, because the service is being provided by a trader.
Okay.
Here is how it works.
All right. Break it down.
So copy trading, just as the word suggests,
Yeah.
you copy trades.
Okay.
You copy trades. But we are in 2026, so it should be automatic. Things have changed right now. So there's no need for me to send you trades and tell you, do this and that. What happens, when we started trading for us, these systems were not there, where you can copy trades from somebody else using a software. But these days, we have softwares where you can copy trades from somebody.
Okay.
There we have external softwares and we have inbuilt broker systems.
Okay.
For example, you are a client at HFM, you're a trader at HFM, right?
Yes, yes.
If you log in, you'll see a copy trading slot. There's a slot called copy trading.
Okay.
If you click there, you'll see different results from different traders.
Okay.
Okay. So what you are seeing there, basically, you'll see the number of people following this trader. So they are called followers. So if I have a copy trading service and you're benefiting from it, you are a follower.
Oh, I follow you.
You follow me.
So I get into HFM and then I click on copy trading.
Then you look for
and
my
then
strategy.
I look for DAC.
Yeah. Then you
So
follow
I'll
me.
see your results there.
So it doesn't necessarily have to be my name. I could call my strategy Mwakideu TV, FX, something like that.
All right.
But when you benefit from it, you are a follower.
Kidogo shikilia daktari.
Yeah.
First of all, nimeingia pale HFM kweli, na kweli nimeona hapo copy trading iko pale, na nimetap on copy trading pale.
So when you tap on it,
Yes.
the first thing you'll see is results from different people.
So I'll see the results.
Yes, you will see the results.
Like how you've been trading.
Yes, you'll see the performance, you'll see the percentage
Your
growth.
performance.
Yeah, you'll
Okay.
see the percentage growth and you'll see the number of people following this person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Just the same way you can go to Instagram, you'll see this guy is followed by 100 people.
okay.
So you'll see this guy has 100 followers.
All right.
Then there is something called a maximum drawdown.
What is that?
That is when this person was trading in their strategy. So when somebody is trading, the trader who is trading in that copier is called, he or she is called a strategy provider.
Okay.
So when you follow me, you are the follower and I'm the strategy provider.
Okay.
Okay. So when you follow a strategy provider, you are able to see the maximum drawdown they ever had. So for example, if at a certain given point they lost 30%, you will see maximum drawdown 30%.
Okay.
If at some time they lost all the funds, you'll see maximum drawdown 99.99% or 100%.
Okay.
Depending on the broker.
All right.
So you'll see the maximum drawdown.
Okay.
So before you make a decision to follow a strategy provider, look at the maximum drawdown.
All right.
Focus on the downside first before you look at the upside. Because this guy, maybe at some point, they lost all the money. It will show you the maximum drawdown. But since then, they've made 1,000%. It will show you the graph, 1,000%. So most people will look at the upside and don't look at the downside.
Yeah.
And that's what trading is.
Okay.
You manage the risk first before you look at the potential returns. So even if you're going for a copy trading strategy, look at the downside first.
All right.
So you'll see the percentage performance over time. You'll see the maximum drawdown they've ever had. You'll see the number of followers. And if you click on their profile, you're able to see all the trades they took. Yeah.
Oh, you're able to see everything.
Everything is open to the public.
All right.
Yeah.
So that is me, by the way, because mimi nilikuwa umeniambia unaniongelesha kabisa kwa sababu mimi nikitap pale nikiangalia nitaka kuangalia tu how you've been winning.
Yeah.
How you've been winning throughout.
So you'll see the graph. Even if they lost money at some point, the graph itakuwa imerudi tu chini na ikaendelea kupanda.
All right.
So look at the maximum drawdown that they ever had.
All right.
Yeah.
So now you've seen maximum drawdown.
Yeah, and also take some time to study that equity curve. Maybe they had the maximum drawdown was maybe, let's say, it states as 60%, right? But if you look at the curve, kuna time anaunda do ana lose 40%. Kuna time anaunda do ana lose 58%. Look at that curve. Your growth equity curve inakaaje before follow jama. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So now
Umecheck?
Yeah.
Umekutana na huyo naitwa nani?
Strategy provider.
Provider?
Yes.
You've met the strategy provider. Unasemaje please? Niongeze bado. Nishikilie. Eh? Now what you want? What do you want to do? My producer is telling me something. Unasemaje producer please? So ni regeshe ama ni? Eh? Hivi.
niongeze ndani.
Hapo kwa sawa. Sasa niachilie.
Nisiguse. Nunueni microphone mzuri bwana. Yenye unaweza gusa na isisumbue. Nini? You AMTV, bro. What's up with you, bro? Ama you're not a trader. You need to start trading. You make money. Mwakideu FX. Big shout out to you on TikTok right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be checking your comments very soon. Shende mbali, if you have questions, keep them coming pale. Takuwa namuuliza daktari mwenyewe in a short while. So daktari.
Strategy provider.
Strategy provider. I'm a follower there. Right?
Yeah, once you follow, then you become a follower.
All right.
So that is the first step.
All right.
Look for a strategy provider that you see you can sustain their drawdowns.
All right.
And you're happy with their performance.
All right.
And then when you follow a strategy provider, there are some settings you're going to put. The first one is called the volume allocation.
Okay.
Volume allocation, if you're following me with $1,000 account and you don't want to give me the whole $1,000 account, you set the volume of allocation to the specific percentage you want me to trade. If you want me to trade only 30%, you set the volume allocation to 30%.
All right.
Maybe, yes, you've seen the upside of the performance, but ukiangalia hizo drawdowns, you're not happy with them. So you say, let me just give him 30%. If you want me to trade your whole $1,000, you give me 100% volume allocation.
All right.
After you've set the volume allocation, there is something called a rescue level. In the worst case scenario, how much do you want to walk away with, you as the follower? So the rescue level, once you set it, once the drawdown hits that percentage, it closes all the trades automatically, withdraws the money from your trading account and deposits it to your trading wallet, the remaining money.
All right.
This is an example. You have $1,000 account, and then you've set the rescue level to 50%. So if I hold trades that go to that 50%, it will close all those trades and it will give you back your 50%.
All right.
So you'll walk away with $500 in the worst case scenario.
All right.
If you set the rescue level to 0 and I hit a 99% drawdown, you lose all your money.
Okay.
Yeah. So you blow your account. Yeah.
But now what are the advantages, for example, of setting it to 100%?
Rescue level. Rescue level is 0. Volume allocation 100.
Niseme tu, you trade with my money. Nakuaminia.
No, you are the one risking. Before you make that decision, you've seen the performance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen the performance. I'm happy with the performance.
So for example,
So I want to come in fully.
yeah, so we've said, so for example, you've looked at the drawdowns of this trader over time, and you've seen that most of the time this guy hits a 40% drawdown. Most of the time, despite the fact that he's profitable in the long run and he has made a lot of money, most of the time he hits 40%, 50% drawdown. Then you are following this guy today. You don't know if the next drawdown is tomorrow after you've joined. So you can set the rescue level to 40%. So that just in case he hits that, you can still walk away with your money.
Okay.
Or even 20% or even 10%.
All right.
If you don't want, there are people who are very attached to their money. They don't want to lose it. Even as traders, we go through that a lot. You deposit money, but you don't want to trade because you don't want to risk this money. Yeah. So you are married to your capital. Yeah.
All right. So now you have a trade, you have again, the name is what?
Your
What's your
strategy
name?
provider.
You have your strategy provider.
Yeah.
And you're saying umeweka pale kwa 40%, usipoteze hela yako yote.
Yeah.
You know, in case kikiumana kabisa, at least there's an amount that will remain in your account.
Yeah.
You have decided to do that. Give
Yeah.
it to me in a month, for example.
Yeah.
When do you get to see the results? Do you see them every day? Do you see them after a month? Do you see them after a week? How do you advise a person like me to be monitoring?
Yeah,
You know, should I
So-
monitor on a daily?
so-
Are you sending me emails to tell me how you're
So
performing?
once you have a live account on a broker,
Yeah.
there's what we call a broker statement. A broker statement is sent to you. If you are trading, you'll get it every single day. Depends on the broker, but most of them send it daily. So every
Is it an automatic thing?
Yeah, it's automatic. The broker statement will show you your P&L, your profit and loss for that given day. It will show you all the executed positions. It will show you the money you deposited or you withdrew. If you didn't deposit, it will just be at 0. It will show you everything.
All right.
It's sent daily and also at the end of the month.
All right.
So there's a broker statement every trader. If you have a live account,
All right.
you get it at the end of the month. For example, yesterday and today. Today we are end month, so we get broker statements. So it depends with the broker you're using to copy trade. After you've set volume allocation and rescue level, you set a trading password and then you deposit your money. After you follow this guy, there are details that are sent to your email. So for traders, we have trading platforms. You can log in there and see the performance. Now, asking about if you can assess this performance daily or weekly or monthly, it depends with how your strategy provider is trading. If I'm an intraday trader, you can check it daily. There are people who swing trade. They hold trades for weeks, months, and stuff.
Yeah.
So me as a strategy provider, I will provide a description on my strategy. So you'll see and say, by the way, according to his description, I need to check the trades after 2-3 weeks, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Say I've been trading with you. Now we are actually into the new month of July.
Yeah.
I've been trading with you throughout the month of June.
Yeah.
Right? You're my strategy provider. I'm your follower.
Yeah.
And the month of June was just amazing.
Uh-huh.
You know, we got something good, you know.
Yeah.
Tunaganya aje.
So me as a strategy provider, I'm the one to set the rules
Okay.
because I'm the one who's doing the work.
All right.
So I'll set the minimum deposit you're supposed to have. Could be $50, it could be $200. I'll set it.
All right.
Then I'll set the frequency of the payout. So if I want us to split this money weekly, I'll set it.
All right.
If I want us to split it monthly, I'll set it. 3 months, whichever I want.
All right.
And then I'll also set the percentage.
Oh, really?
It's called a profit split.
Mm.
So the percentage, it's also automatic if the copy trading is on a broker.
Mm.
Copy trading, as I stated earlier, initially we didn't have softwares in the broker. So you find that for you to copy my trades, we have to meet physically like right now. Then we pay for a copier. There are softwares called copiers. Their work is to do that, whatever has now been incorporated into brokers. So we pay for that. Then every time we have a profit, I need also to look for you to give me my money.
That happened when you were trading?
Yes, and most clients run away with your money.
Well, let me ask you, in the last 6 years you've been trading, has that happened?
A lot of times.
Kwani trading imeanza lini? Because you see,
trading has been there ever since.
So now this technology imekuwa better when?
So right now, this is now when...
Because hiyo ilikuwa ni manual hiyo sasa.
Yeah, manual unajua. When you have somebody, for example, I'm from Kenya.
Yes.
And I have somebody copying my trades from the US.
Yes.
And I make for them $3,000.
Yes.
If they decide not to pay me, there's nothing I can do. I cannot start going from Kenya to the US to look for $3,000. They can decide not to pay me.
Okay.
Because it's manual.
Yeah, it's manual.
So it was just based...
Kitambo.
Even right now, it happens for people who don't know that there are copy trading systems in brokers.
Oh, so people are still doing it manually?
Yes, so it's based on trust. Like, I trust you will send me the money after I've made it.
Ay, Buddha. Kuna watu wamekibia na pesa yako?
A lot. It has happened a lot of times, but there's nothing you can do. Because first, you don't have any written legal agreement. And this guy is, I don't know where. You don't even know where he is. He can lie to you that he's in the US and he's just there somewhere in Kisii planting bananas. So if they run away with their money...
boss.
So it used to happen.
I will hunt you down, my brother.
It depends. So you see, right now, the trading industry is becoming better.
All right.
It's becoming better.
All right.
That's why we have platforms like this that people get even educated.
Yeah.
Back in the days, even if you tell somebody about copy trading, they didn't know what that really means.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now
you set the profit split.
You set the profit split.
The frequency of the payout.
The frequency of the payout.
Yeah.
And then what is it
the minimum deposit.
Minimum deposit.
Yeah.
You set that. So if a follower feels like they're okay with it, then they follow you.
So for you to follow somebody, you have agreed to their terms. Yeah, automatically you've agreed to their terms. For copy trading, you don't even need to know this guy. You just go look at the results, assess them and say, let me follow this guy. You don't even know him. You don't know who is there on the other side. So you agree to the terms.
Yeah.
When you agree to any terms in any broker,
there
is a document that is sent to you. It's good you look at it first. Just the same way when the last time we looked at the disclaimer that is put there, at 75% to around 90% lose money. Most people don't look at that. The same thing is on the copy trading. There's a certain document that will be sent to you. Then after you are set, then you follow this guy. Now, whenever this guy trades, the trade, whichever trade he takes, he or she takes, it gets duplicated into your trading account. Now that is copy trading. Yeah.
So now, once you guys have agreed,
and the other guy doesn't need to agree. The strategy provider does not agree anything with you. They've set the rules. Yes.
You set the rules and then you come
They cannot bend the rules to your favor because,
because they're the one trading.
If it's 40%, then every single follower is getting 40%.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes. So let me give you an example. So you have set the rules.
Yeah.
I have accepted. That's why I'm following you now.
So the following is that you've also accepted the rules.
Yes. So now I'm following you. So when I follow you as a follower, my account opens up to you. Does it mean I send the money or what normally happens?
So in most brokers, you deposit the money. Most brokers have a wallet. Yeah.
Yes.
There's a wallet. A wallet is where you hold your funds.
Yes.
And then there's a trading account.
Yes.
So when you follow somebody, you now we call it an internal transfer. So you do an internal transfer from your wallet to that account that you are creating. Remember, we have the minimum deposit set. So if it's $100, you key in $100 and then you click deposit. It will automatically deduct it from the wallet and put it in this trading account that is being created.
All right.
Then you'll create a trading password. And then the details of this trading account will be sent to you. So it's your trading account. You can withdraw anytime you want.
All right.
You and the strategy provider are nobody's sending anybody money.
All right.
Yeah. You deposit money to your account. I trade. The split is sent to me automatically by the broker.
All right.
Yeah. So there's no way you can even run away with my funds.
All right.
As long as I've made money, even if it's $1, it will split it and send it to me.
The broker will split it and send it to you.
Yeah, so the copy is automatic. Yeah.
So you get the money, I get the
Unlike
money.
previously, where it was now you send the money manually. Yeah.
All right.
So there's that copy trading and there's what we call also pool trading.
Now, before we go to pool trading,
Yeah.
how many followers can you have as a service provider? Is
So
there a
for
limit?
no. It depends with the broker you're using.
All right.
There are brokers that you can have up to 4,000. Yeah. But
All right.
there's no limit.
All right.
So most people tend to assess just the same way most people tend to go for example, you have a business and you want to market it and you're looking for an influencer.
Yeah.
You'll go for the guy with the most followers,
Of course.
the biggest audience.
Yes.
So most people also, it's just the same thing, different industry. If somebody wants to make money, they'll go to the guy with the most followers.
It's true.
But now, you don't need to be looking at the followers. Look at the performance statistics. The ones I've told you. Yeah, that is what you should focus on.
All right.
Yeah.
As a service provider, the last one before we change the topic from copy trading, as a service provider,
Yeah.
is it possible for you to say Mwakideu nitamwekea minimum ya $50 za kutrade ama $100 au wengine na huyu unamwekea 500, ama unaikaga tu flat kabisa kila mtu
So, yeah.
for you to trade, with my account as a follower ni $1,000. Is it flat
No.
for everyone? Ama people can actually talk?
No, you can. So if I have a strategy, so strategy provider, whatever you're following is a strategy.
All right.
So this strategy will have only one fixed minimum balance.
All right.
If the minimum is 100, it's 100.
All right.
So anybody without $100 cannot follow the strategy.
All right.
So if I want people with $500, I need to create another one
All right.
and put the minimum to $500. Yeah, but you cannot decide what follower on one strategy. One strategy, one minimum deposit, same profit split.
All right.
Yeah.
Dak, you already have some followers right now, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell me how many there are?
I have very many copiers.
Very many copiers.
Yeah.
So
So
like-
the reason why you need to you find that somebody has many copiers is because maybe somebody wants to copy your trades with $10,000, but they are not comfortable with that split. So they tell you, because I'm offering something huge on the table, give me a better split. So you find that different people have different profit splits.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So right now, last month of June,
Yeah.
your copiers were happy.
Yeah.
Were they happy in the last month of June?
Yeah.
Very happy.
Not so happy, but to me, they were
Percentage?
okay.
Do you want to share that?
Yeah. I think my phone is there.
Hebu lete simu ya nanio bwana ya daktari bwana. Huyu jamaa ananishtua kila siku. Huyu jamaa ananishtua kila siku bwana. Hebu lete simu yake bwana.
There are copies that I post I post
Yeah.
back in the day.
Yeah.
But I have one that is running.
Fungua ya June.
June, you look at the deposit.
Yeah.
The deposit, these are the dates. These are just
All the way to okay.
you can change the time frame up there.
Let's see, June, yes.
Yeah.
I can see the deposits. These are in dollars, right?
No.
In cash shillings.
Yeah.
All right.
So for my psychology lately, I decided to trade in Kenya shillings currency. It's better that way.
It's better that way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the percentage for the entire month of June was
This is 63.1%.
63.1% for the
deposit.
entire month
Yeah.
of June.
think you can.
I can
just,
see. Yes.
So there are copiers that I post.
All right.
And also there are copiers that you have. There is what you can call a private copier.
All
a
right.
private copier, for example, this one is private.
All
for
right.
you to access is I give you the link. So you can follow somebody on the broker by you just search for the link for their name, or they give you a link. So for this one, I'll give you the link and a certain password.
All right.
So that I know if I see the same result somewhere, I just know you're the one who leaked them. That's why I've put it private.
All right.
Because the industry is so dirty right now.
All right.
Yeah. So you
I hear
find that
you.
yeah. So you find that I have a copy. Maybe I've made 10%, but there's a guy somewhere who is benefiting from my copier because he has access to people with bigger funds than me.
Yes.
So he follows my strategy.
Yes.
He goes there and then shows them and tells them, this is my account. He creates his copier.
Yeah.
They follow. They make money from that. That's why it's private.
Okay.
So I know every single follower here. So if I see the result somewhere like this, I know this is the guy. Yeah.
Who shared
Yeah.
my results?
True.
Now, are you following, by the way? Are you on TikTok following? If you're following, now you're learning something, I believe, okay? So you actually do not really have to be an expert in trading. You can actually allow an expert who's been there for a long time to trade on your behalf. It's called copy trading.
Yeah.
And that is what copy trading is all about, all right? And yeah, basically, that's what's up. So how do you do that? First of all, I want you to click the link on my bio. That HFM link on my bio. Click it, pale. Once you click it, you have an opportunity today to walk away with $100 katika account yako ya HFM. Lakini make sure hiyo account ukifungua una register na promo code AMTV. Register with promo code AMTV. Dak, you're telling me about this other way of trading, which is called pool trading.
Yeah.
What is pool trading?
So there's copy trading.
Yeah.
Most people, when you don't use a copier, a client can send you their details manually. This is my account details.
Okay.
You trade for them. That is
All right.
called account management.
All right.
It's very common.
All right.
But copy trading is the safest way. You also have pool trading. Pool trading is when maybe my copier, remember we've said that the strategy provider sets a certain minimum amount,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So for example, I've set $1,000 to be the minimum amount in my copier, right?
Yeah.
But you don't have $1,000.
Yeah. And I'm interested.
Yeah.
In following
You're really
you.
interested, but you don't
But I don't have the
you
$1,000.
can't raise the $1,000.
Yes.
So pool trading is when a lot of people come together. So it becomes like pooled funds.
All right.
For them
Kama
to get to
carpooling.
$1,000. Kama
Kama carpooling.
kachama hivi.
Okay.
Now, on the broker account, we have a copy trading slot. For pool trading, it's called PAM.
Okay.
PAM. PAMM. Now, pool trading also has been used a lot in this town where somebody tells you, you don't have the 1,000, send me the $100. In all these services, there's no way you're supposed to send anybody money. That's where people get scammed. Pool trading should be on a broker account.
Okay.
You deposit money to your account, then you join a PAM. So the PAM will put you together automatically.
All
This
right.
guy comes, this guy. You don't even need to know anybody.
Okay.
Once it pulls you together, it
right.
connects you to the strategy provider.
Okay.
So if this guy makes 10%,
That's amazing. I like that.
the profit split is still automatic based on your balance. Profit
like
split
that.
is balance based.
Let me try and see if I actually got your point. So now we are all under,
Let's say
say
you are-
HFM.
Yeah.
All right. We are all there. And all of us want to work with a service provider called Confano DuckFX.
Yeah.
All right. So 10 of us want to work with DuckFX, but 10 of us cannot raise 1,000. So tumeingia katika PAM account.
So you join a PAM. You
We've joined a
don't
PAM.
need to know anybody.
No, we don't need to know each other.
Yeah.
So mi pale katika PAM nimeingia na so yangu, mse mwingine mwenye anataka tu ya daka
Itamweka.
anaongeza na so yake, anaongeza na so yake, ikifika 1,000
Ina
tunawekwa.
connect. Yeah.
Kama interest ni 10%,
Utapata 10% ya $100 because you invested $100.
I don't need to know anyone.
You will not know anyone. You can know a strategy provider. For example, you know me. So you look for guys and then you follow me. But you could be interested in a strategy provider who is in India. You don't know this guy. The PAM can connect you, a guy from South Africa, that way. So it's automatic.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. It's more organized.
But people use this. Somebody takes the pool trading, builds a concept around it and tells you guys, send me money. So you send money, they disappear. Then you start saying Forex is a scam.
So there's no way at any given time where you're told to send money to somebody.
You're not
That does
supposed
not happen. You only
Somebody
need
can
money in
tell
your
you.
account.
Yeah. Your money should be in your account.
That's what's up. I hope you're learning something today. Very interesting conversation, by the way.
Yeah. So also for copy trading,
Yeah.
when you are a trader,
Yeah.
you can use an external copier. For example, you have 5 accounts.
Yeah.
You have an account here, an account here, an account there.
Yeah.
You want to trade them all together.
Yeah.
You can use an external copier and just trade one account, and the trades are duplicated in all your 5 accounts.
Ebu, come back again. Come back again, bro.
So
Will
for
it,
example,
selector.
for me, I have an account with this broker,
Yeah.
this broker, and
Yeah.
this broker.
Yeah.
Each account, maybe
Yeah.
this broker had good spreads. This one gave me a commission. So I have different accounts.
Yeah.
Maybe this one does not process withdrawals during weekends, so I love this one because of that.
Yeah.
This one does not have crypto, so I love this one because of that. So
Yeah.
I have different accounts.
Yeah.
But I want them to have the same trade. What I do, I look for a copier. There are softwares. There's one that I love. It's called Traders Connect. So this software, you have, remember the other one, I was called a strategy provider. You are the follower.
Yeah.
So because this software is yours, the main account is called the master account. Any account that is under the master account, now I don't like the terms they used. It's called a slave account.
A slave account.
Yes. It serves the master.
Yeah.
So you connect your accounts. Of course, there's a subscription you'll pay.
Yeah.
And then any trade you take on this account, it's duplicated on all accounts. And you have the same results. Risk, you can set to be balance-based, whichever way you want. So if this account is $1,000 and this is $100, if you make 10%, this makes 10% of $1,000, which is 100, and this makes 10% of $100, which is 10. That way. So copy trading is not just on the broker. You can also do it personally. Yeah. For your accounts. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I love this conversation. Bro, you've been building this thing. Oh, man, once you say microphone and megusa. I hope it's okay, but breezy. Anasema iko sawa kabisa.
You know, the more you stay in an industry, the more you learn a lot.
The more you learn alone, bro. How can I, or someone who's watching right now, probably on TikTok, because I've seen when I sit with you here, I get a lot of people who actually are traders, trading, and they like to hear what you say. How can you build a mechanical trading system?
A mechanical trading system. You've asked it very well. How can you build? You're building something.
Yes.
For you to build something, you need to sit down and decide, I'm building a house.
Yeah.
This is the plan.
Yeah.
Start with this and this and this. I'll buy that. This is the cost.
Yeah.
So building a mechanical trading system takes time.
All right.
But you need to know what you're doing so that you don't waste that time building nonsense.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So the first thing, I think we talked about this last time, is just the trading strategy. That's the hypothesis.
Okay.
What will you be trading? Then we also went ahead and mentioned that there are very many trading strategies available on YouTube. You can learn from them. There are people who have mentorships. You can gauge their performance and join their mentorships. Whichever way you'll choose, that's a personal decision.
All right.
But you need to have a trading strategy. A trading strategy should have 3 key things. The first thing, a strategy is like how you broadcast to get that audience attention. You know exactly what you need to do.
Yeah.
So you have an objective. Your objective is to get their attention. So the first thing, the strategy is going to help you to come up with an objective in the market.
Okay.
The markets are just simple. It's either buying or selling. If it's not doing any of the two, it's consolidating, moving in a range. So you need to have, the strategy gives you a way to find an objective. For you to find an objective, you study the narrative.
Okay.
It's like when you want to, I'm not a politician, but if you want to get votes, kuna watu wanaingia ground, tunasikiza ground nini, wanasema nini. So you come up with a narrative. Somebody comes with something they sell to you. I will do this. That is a story that they tell you. So for us, when you do chart analysis, we are studying price. We want to know what is price doing. So we are studying the narrative of the price.
All right.
Then you come up with the objective. And then this strategy should leave room for flexibility. Flexibility is when, if whatever you wanted to happen does not happen, what do you do? So you are flexible. You're not fixed to something.
Okay.
That is number one in this trading system.
All right.
So any strategy you're going to learn, make sure it has those three things.
All right.
Then the number two, we talked about risk management. Yeah. Your risk management approach, all that should be in your trading. Then your
just remind them again about the risk management before. It's very important. This one you can say almost every single day.
Yeah.
Just remind them what it means.
So for risk management, just like we've talked about copy trading, focus on the downside before you look at the upside.
All right.
Okay. You see, trading is a game that is going to force you as a human being to step into radical accountability. You must be held accountable for your decisions because you're making personal decisions. The person who's holding you accountable is you. There is no day your broker will come to your house and whip you that, you've lost a lot of money. No, they are very happy because at the end of the day, the house must always win. Yeah. So what you just need to do is follow your small rules and make your small money and be satisfied with that. Risk management.
Okay.
You have an approach. It's called a risk management plan. You can have it under your trading plan. This one dictates how much you risk per day or per trade. That is, for me, I'm talking for intraday traders. Or per just the amount of money you're risking per trade. If you're risking 2%, 4%, it's dictated in your risk management plan.
Okay. Per trade.
Yeah.
All right.
And also you should give yourself the targets. How much are you targeting? If you're risking 2%, maybe you're targeting 10%. That's why we talked about the risk to reward ratio. Told you, for me, I trade a fixed 7 risk to reward ratio, which means for every dollar I risk, I have a potential gain of 7 USD. Risk to reward ratio is maybe you're risking $10 to get 70, something like that. Yeah.
All right.
So for this 7 risk to reward ratio, I'll risk 2%.
All right.
Then I'll have 2 targets. The first target is at the 3 risk to reward ratio. The second one at 7. So if I hit full target, I'm up 10%.
Okay.
If I lose this trade, I'm down
2%.
2%.
Yes.
If I hit target 1 and I'm taken out, I'm still up 2% plus. So I've made at least what I risked in the market.
All right.
So you need to dictate that.
All right.
How much you risk, what you're targeting, and also you need to have what we call a hard stop. A hard stop is that you've been trading and you've lost a certain amount of money. You need to walk away.
So
remember,
for example,
we talked about
your risk
revenge
is
trading?
2%.
Yeah.
So you've been trading and then that particular day you've lost the 2% how many times? Like
For me, it's 4%.
4%.
Yeah. If I
Once you get to 4%, you stop.
Yeah, minus 4%. I'm
All
done.
right.
Yeah.
You're done for the day?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've split it into, I have something that is called the soft stop and the hard stop.
Okay.
So the soft stop is at 2%. So that means I've had my first loss.
All right.
So after I've lost my first trade, I need to sit down and ask myself, am I okay mentally to take another trade? Or will I be blinded to revenge trade because I want to gain my 2% that I've lost?
Yeah.
If I'm okay to take another trade, am I okay risking 2% or should I reduce the risk? You see, if I reduce this risk to 1% and I lose, I still have 1% remaining to risk.
Yeah, again.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have another opportunity.
So I have the soft stop after 2%, but if I continue that way and hit 4%, that is my hard stop. So I'm done for the day.
All right.
My trading plan asks me to come up the next day.
All right.
Yeah.
Do you then plan yourself more before you start the next day? Is there something that,
No.
Is there anything the next day?
There's nothing you're going to do important. That's why I usually tell my community, profitable trading is boring because you do the same thing every single day.
Okay.
You follow the same rules every single day.
All right.
So tomorrow, just come, follow your rules the way you did yesterday.
All right.
There's no need now that you need to go and
was
learn
just not
something.
a good day.
Now, trading is a game of probability. Yesterday was a good day. You just lost money. So what
Someone
happens?
Someone else won. Someone else got money.
Everybody,
You lost.
yeah. We have buyers and sellers. So if you lose, this guy is making the other side. If they lose and you made,
So yesterday was a good day.
it was a
You
good
just
day
lost
because
money.
you followed your rules
Yeah.
and you were disciplined.
Okay.
It's a game of probability. Just because you made money does not mean you were right. The odds were in your favor.
All right.
Just because you lost money does not mean you were wrong. The odds were not in your favor.
Okay.
So there's no being right or wrong.
All right.
You just execute your edge. If the odds are in your favor, you make money.
All right.
If they are not, you lose money.
All
Show
right.
up tomorrow.
The same way you did today.
Yes.
With the same plan.
Execute your strategy, because by the time you're trading live, we gave out the process. You learned, you collected data, so you know this thing works. If you have a win rate of 30%, it means you have 300 winners out of 1,000.
Yeah.
You have 700 losses in a set of 1,000 trades.
Wow.
Wins and losses are randomly distributed. You don't know if the next trade is going to be a win or a loss. Just need to show up and execute again.
All right.
Yeah.
So that's risk management.
Yeah.
The other step was
Routine.
routine.
Your routine. So for example, your routine, it will go hand in hand with your day-to-day activities and your trading style. So if you are a person who is working, you could opt to be, there are people who wake up at 3 a.m. and have some trades and go to work.
Okay.
And just monitor them during the day.
All right.
There are people who don't have anywhere to go. They want to stay in the house and trade, or they have a trading floor where they show up and trade with the community of other traders. So your routine should be in line with your day-to-day activities and also you personally. There's somebody who cannot wake up before 11. So the routine needs to fit that sleeping schedule.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So the time you wake up, the time you do your analysis, the time you review your trades in the evening, the time you do your weekly outlook over the weekend, the time you assess your performance at the end month, you set it down. And then also have a life of charts. Have a life of trading. Trading is very addictive. I usually encourage people to go out there, get some fresh air, interact with people, interact with other traders. Yeah, it's not just about the charts, not just about the trading stuff. Yeah, there's life of trading.
All right.
Yeah.
So like as a trader, do you like go for holiday then? Like do you have leave days? Because this is what you do. This is your work.
Yeah.
Mimi nimeandikwa kazi mahali huwa napewa 21 days per year.
So you set that.
Oh, okay, that's
So
the
for
routine you're talking about.
Yeah, for me, for example, when I go home, there's no trading for me.
Okay.
That's time for me with my family members.
All right.
Whenever
So you have an office where you go and trade?
No, my office is at home. My house. Okay. I have my office. I'll show up there in the morning. For example, like today, if I know I have any activity outside the house, I'll not open the charts.
Okay.
Back in the day, I used to do that, and that I was punished severely, because now you find I'm so distracted. We're having a conversation with somebody, I'm monitoring my trades. I'm distracted. Yeah. So I found out that I was disconnected from people socially. That's why I had a rule that if I'm not at my place, I'm not trading.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So when do you work like 5 days a week or 6 days a week?
So
Because now we're talking about routine.
The market is open Monday to Friday. That is the CFDs market, or the Forex market for us who trade currency pairs. There are other markets where we have what we call synthetic indices. They run from Monday to Monday. So it depends with what you're trading. For me, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
But if I have 3 wins in a row, then I'm done.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
For the week?
Or 3 losses in a row.
Then you're done for the week?
Yeah. If I don't have where to go,
Yeah.
I reduce my risk. So there's nowhere that I'm allowed to increase my risk. Remember the soft stop, I was reducing my risk. 3 wins in a row, I reduce my risk. Because there's a high probability the 4th trade is going to be out of ego. I know what I'm doing, so I'll break my rule. So I need to reduce my risk. 3 losses in a row, I reduce my risk. Because there's a high probability the 4th trade is going to be a revenge trading setup. Because I've lost money, I want to regain it back. So every time I'm just allowed to reduce my risk. Yeah.
Wow. Mzito sana. Let me check on my TikTok right now just to see what you guys are saying. Deno, hebu nisaidie na hiyo simu yako pale katika TikTok yangu, nimeambiwa. Oh, we are live on MTV, right? We are live on
MTV right now. Alex, okay. Good. Saidi na simu yako pale niangalie wanasema gani. Tiki kwenye toko. Pale kwenye tiki kwenye toko. It's our manager here. Unajua sasa mimi siwezi kuwa katika simu yangu huko pia niko kwa live yangu. Anyway. King anasema hapa naanza kazi officially. Shasha. Hebu ni follow back. Kile pale anasema Austin anasema I'm the best synthetic trader. The market is sexy and who I am. Amefikia bebe pale. Alright. Kwa hiyo sasa hebu nipe advice tuanze kazi. Kwa mwingine pale nataka kuunda 10k per day. Alright. Sasa we get on this pamoja.
We get on this pamoja. Nasema namna hiyo. Thank you so much Dennis. Kuna wale nasema nini? Wale traders tunaanza na capital ya ngapi? I need friends, we start this journey together. Okay, very interesting comments here katika mtandao wa TikTok. Thank you so much. Keep the comments coming. There's an interesting question here. Somebody's asking about, what was it about?
Capital.
About capital. There's about capital here. And there's someone else who said, I want to be making at least 10k per day.
Yeah.
So is there a way you can be thinking like that? Like your target per day umesema is 10k?
It depends with the way you are trading. There's a certain narrative that has been sold online that you can make money every day. Which sasa ita depend unatumia strategy gani.
Alright.
But for mine, I don't make money every day.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. There are people who have ways they could be making money every day.
Alright.
But I can advise him not to target a specific amount every day because they'll be tied to it. So if they make 10k today, tomorrow 10k, the other day they are down 6k, they want to regain the 6k and make another 10k. So they end up breaking their rules or blowing the money up.
Alright.
Yeah. So just have a systematic approach and just execute it consistently. Yeah, don't look at the money first. Focus on the downside before you look at the upside.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Something about the capital. A lot of people have been asking this question about capital. How much do I need to start? Let's come together. We start together. Vitu kama hizo mingi tu.
Capital is a very big problem in Africa, by the way. And actually all over the world, but in Africa mostly. We have very great traders in Africa. But the problem is capital because of even lack of support. Currently, as I told you, the industry has become better. Brokers are giving out demo competitions.
All right.
Where you can win something. And you also have something we call proprietary trading firms or prop firms. A prop firm is an institution that gives you access to bigger capital with small money under one condition.
Okay. What's the
trade
condition?
Under rules.
You trade under rules?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
So a prop firm, you trade demo, but you get paid in case you meet the criteria. Okay? So for example, there are prop firms that have accounts from $5,000. So for you to get this $5,000 account, you first pay $32, $35 somewhere. So let's say $40. Then, so you've bought the account. The account comes with rules. So there are accounts that have what we call evaluation stages. So once you have the account, the most common rules, you need to make 8% for phase 1. So there are 2 phases. If you make 8% of this 5K, you move to the next step.
Okay.
Most of them, they want you to make 6%. So if you make 6% of this 5K again, now any other money you'll make from that, you will get 80% split of it. Because so phase 1, phase 2, then the other one is called the live phase. So you have the account, but the rules are still intact.
All right.
There's a certain amount of money you're not supposed to lose in a day. There's a certain amount of money, if you hit, you lose the account. So for example, that is the daily drawdown limit. You could be limited to maybe 6% of that account. In a given day, you're not supposed to lose 6% of that account.
Yeah.
maximum drawdown limit. If you hit that, if you hit any of these drawdowns, you lose the account. Remember, there was only one condition. You trade under rules. You're not supposed to hit this drawdown.
Yeah.
So if you hit that, then you have failed the challenge. So you get a breaching email. And you're told, go home to your family.
Wow. So you have to be very careful.
The same, even after you've passed the phase 1, phase 2,
Phase 3. All the phases.
That's the live phase. The rules are still the same.
Okay.
Most people pass phase 1 and phase 2 and think that they are now done with the rules. Then they breach it. So whenever you meet all these rules and then you get a profit split, you get what we call a payout. When you pass phase 1, you're given a certificate. When you pass phase 2, you are given a certificate. Now you are called a funded trader. When you continue that way and you get that payout, it's called a payout certificate. Most of the firms give you 80% of the split. So if you made $1,000, you're given 800 USD. Yeah. A payout certificate has a QR code. If somebody tells you, I have payouts, provide the payout, scan the code. If you scan it, it will take you to that prop firm site and show you the name. Again, as I said, the industry that I can take your payout and change the name, it becomes mine. So if you want to follow a trader who has payout certificates, scan the QR codes.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So some of the rules that you have on you, or you're given with that account, will they allow you to like trade a certain amount of money? Ama hata ile pesa una trade nayo pia, they'll also give you rules and say, for today, you only trade up to this amount of money.
Yeah. So if you have a 5K account, the maximum drawdown is 10%. You're basically trading a $500 account. Because once you lose $500, the account is gone.
I hear you. Right. Let me see the comments hapa katika mtandao wa TikTok. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all the comments. Kuna mwingine pale anasema nini huyu? Anasema wacha tuelimishane. Adui ni umaskini. Very true. I agree with you. Someone else is saying hapa, common mwananchi anafanya aje sasa pia yeye simple. Okay. Niko ndani mpaka tamati. This is someone else who's saying that. Kuna huyu ambaye anasema kwamba I think binary trading nayo ikwaje. Binary trading, do you know about that?
Yeah.
What is that? Ikwaje.
The way I told you, there are markets that run from Monday to Monday. That is, we have synthetic indices. We have binary on synthetic indices. There are brokers that offer that. And then we have binary options for forex currencies. So the approaches are all different. So you choose your market, the one you want to study, learn the same process, learn, collect data, all that is the same. The markets are different.
All right.
Yeah.
Someone is asking, Alex, will you be posting this one? Yes, I will. I will be posting.
We are currently live on YouTube, by the way. You can be watching it on YouTube. Here at the TikTok, of course, we're live here. But immediately we are done with this show, definitely I'm posting it so you can watch it and rewatch it and share widely. Okay? Share with your friends. Itakuwa mzuri sana. All right. Kuna mwingine pale anasema kwamba the clocks shoe are fire. Ameweka moto mingi pale. Hizo zako ndo clocks ama ni zangu?
Nashukuru ni zangu.
Which ones are you talking about? Man, hizi zangu ni za Buddha. Hizi zangu ni za kibuddha. Hizi unasemaje? Nikusa tena?
Is it okay now? Okay. Please, nasema it's okay. Zangu ni za kibuddha is I think ni zako. Nashukuru ni zako by the way.
Yeah.
Haya, kuna huyu Onyango Onyango Tati anasema nini? Anasema ni over and under bus na uko na pesa. Ati over and under na uko na pesa. Who is Onyango Tate, by the way? Is that a person you know?
He's a trader.
Oh, he's a trader?
Yeah.
What is this over and under Nabas?
That's their market. Their market, they trade over and under.
Oh, it's called...
Just the same way for us, we buy and sell.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a trader?
Yeah.
He trades and he's online. People know him from social
media. I don't know if it's the one or a pseudo.
Huyo simjui kusema kweli. Anyway, let's look at other comments pale. Anasema kwamba prop firm without discipline, you will cry.
Yeah, the rules. I've told you, you trade under rules, strict rules.
Yeah.
You need to be very disciplined, by the way.
Well, I think basically trading, what did you say as we finish?
Everything.
Basically trading is discipline.
Yeah.
Yani nikikusikia Daku kiongea na mimi since day one, there's a lot of discipline that is needed for any trader to be at least successful and to manage his business.
Yeah.
There's a lot of discipline that is needed.
Trading is discipline.
Sindio?
It teaches you you become, I told you step into radical accountability, and you're the one who hold yourself accountable, because every single mistake you make, you lose money.
Yeah.
At times, you can make a mistake and get away with it.
Yeah.
But you are destroying your subconscious mind, because you are teaching it that I can make mistakes and still make money.
Yeah.
So there's a high probability you're going to break your rules again and lose money.
Yeah.
Every strength you think you have, the moment you think you are now disciplined, it gets tested every time until it's sharpened. Yeah.
What would you say, Daktari, that trading imekufanya ukachange since you started to date?
Yeah.
What is it that imekufanya? What kind of a man have you become? You know, compared to the person you were 6 years ago, before you even started trading at all, to the person that is here seated next to me. Imekufanya nini as a person? Forget about the monies and stuff. We mwenyewe tu as a person.
So when I started trading, I came in for the money. But the more I traded, I found out that the journey is about self-discovery. You get to know yourself more. You get to know if you are greedy, impatient, and you don't have discipline. Then, for you to be a consistently profitable trader long term, you have to fix all those things. So it's about self-mastery, and you evolve to become a better self.
All right.
So for me to show up every day is not a problem anymore. To follow the rules as I've told you, it's not a problem anymore. But when I started, I was not that kind of person. So you just have to change. The competitor is the person in the mirror. Yeah, you're competing with your previous self. Most traders compete with other traders, which is wrong.
All right.
Yeah.
Your competitor is the person in the mirror. You're competing against yourself, not the other trader. The one you were saying here, anaitwa nani? Uyo. Okay? You're competing against yourself. That's what's up. Unless you have something else, Doc?
Nothing much. Just that traders need to change their beliefs, because the subconscious mind is going to affect a lot the way you trade. You know, we are humans. We have the conscious mind and the subconscious mind.
Yeah.
The conscious mind is where we store logic. That is what you know. You know, right now it's 4 p.m. I need to go do this. That is logic.
Yeah.
The subconscious mind is wired with beliefs and habits. So the way you are raised, whatever you believe in, it's going to affect the way you trade.
All right.
I can advise traders to read a book called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph. It's so good. It tries to teach us about what the subconscious mind is, how we focus on our goals, how we change our beliefs, how we wire it. Yeah. Whatever you feed, if you are raised somewhere, even your environment, if you are raised somewhere where people are just satisfied getting paid 200 bob a day, you'll start trading, and when you get 200, you're just satisfied. So you're just comfortable. Yeah.
Okay.
The guy goes ahead and teaches us about dreams and fantasies.
All right.
Okay. And this is what is messing many traders.
All right.
You come into trading because you want to be a billionaire overnight. That is a fantasy. You can become a billionaire from trading, but I've never seen any trader in the top 10 in the Forbes. Right?
Yeah.
So you can become a billionaire in trading, but where are you? You want to become a billionaire and you have 1,000 bob. That is a fantasy. The dream is for you to be better than yesterday, just the way I've said. The competitor is you.
All right.
So this book teaches you how to differentiate the two.
All right.
Yes, dream to have something, but something achievable.
All right.
Based on what you have.
And it's one step at a time.
Yeah.
You become better every single day.
Yeah. 1% better every day.
1%
So just
better.
get that book. It's a very good book.
All right.
I recommend it to traders every single time.
All right.
Yeah.
Shukran sana Daktari. Thank you for your time once again.
Thank you so
I really
much.
appreciate you. Thank you for watching also katika mtandao wa YouTube. I appreciate you so much more, by the way. Such interviews which, are about money and trading and business and stuff like that. Unazicheki pale katika AMTV Biashara. All right?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Until the next one, please keep sharing. Until the next one. Ati? Oh, handle zako katika nini? Hey, by the way, as a trader, you need to have a mentor, eh? Hiyo kitu amesema mara mingi, you need to have a mentor. You need to have like a circle of people you work with. You encourage each other as you do your trading business, all right?
Yeah.
So anyway, Daktari, your social
You
media
can
handles.
follow me on Instagram at Daktari7, DARKTARI7. Kuna underscores, there are underscores between the names. The same on TikTok, Daktari7. Then I have a Telegram community. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll just be able to join it. The link is there. Telegram has my past performance. Telegram has my past 5-year performance. My Instagram has my performance as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what's up, my people. Follow Daktari on all social media platforms. And thank you for watching. And thank you for keeping me company. Please share widely, right? Comment pale. Next, I'll be reading your comments. Kwa hivyo, put your comments pale katika mtandao wa Instagram pale. And like I told you earlier on, this is powered by HFM. And please click the link on my bio. Register if you want to start learning this thing called trading. Register pale. Use the promo code AMTV for an opportunity to walk away with around $100, which you can easily start trading. There you go. Mimi chairman wako naitwa Alex Mwakideo. See you on the next one. Asante sana.